Hey all, welcome back to My Happy Umbrella, and today is that time of the year again. We are going to do unboxing of Summer FabFitFun box. First of all, I want to mention that this video is not sponsored, so you are going to get honest opinion here, and together we'll find out that this box is worth buying or not. I'm pretty excited about this box, especially because of this lockdown period, and I really wanted to know what is inside. So let's see what I got in my box this time. So this is how the summer box looks like. All the vibrant and summer colors are here. This box is a little bit small in comparison to the previous boxes, and this time it came a bit late too. I don't know the reason, it has never happened before. Let's open it. So the very first thing I saw in the box is this $50 credit card from Bright Sellers, and I think it's to buy the wine online. Next thing is this magazine which has description of the products and also some articles. The first item is this Yumi Kim wireless charging pad, and for this the magazine description says, rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery recharge in a flash. This pad supports QI compatible devices only, and its market price is $35. Let's open it. So this is a blush pink wireless charger with this cord, of course. As a seasonal member, I can select few items in the box within the options available. So this was one of them. I thought it would be good to have this on my bedside table to charge my phone. Next item is this The Giving Keys mini key necklace, and for this the description says, inspire yourself to believe with this delicate necklace, and its market price is $45. It has a very tiny key which has written believe on it. This one is also my selection because I always like their jewelry. It's simple and light, but I didn't thought that it would be this much tiny. I'll try this out and will share how it will look on me. Next one is this Terre Mer Aloe Tea Toner, and its description says, reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells, and its market price is $54. Let's open this one. This one is heavy and it has a beautiful packaging. Oh, it's a glass bottle. Look how beautiful the bottle is. So beautiful. Let's open it. It doesn't have any fragrance, almost fragranceless, but this one is anti-aging, and it's 150 ml bottle, which is quite good. I'm just ended up with my toner and I'm really excited to try this one. Next item is this Taroko foot cream, and its description says, a combination of menthol and olive oil helps heal and hydrate your feet, and its market price is $24. Sorry about the lighting, it's kind of cloudy and sunny today, so I can't help it. Let's open this one. It has that orangey menthol smell, but nice because it's not sticky, it's very light, and I think I can use it in this weather. I mean, it's perfect for summer. Next one is this Makeup Drop Blender, and for this the description says, this applicator features a silicone side and latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish, and its market price is $20. I think the silicone side is to spread the product. I don't know. I don't do heavy makeups which require beauty blenders often, but yeah, once in a while I do it, so I think it could replace my old one. Next one is this Riddle Oil Original Roll-On, and its description says, this perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you, and its market price is $50. This one is a FabFitFun pick, and also that beauty blender was a FabFitFun pick. Let's open it. It has a very cute glass bottle and it's very travel friendly because the glass is thick, it's not fragile at all. Let's try this one. It has very flowery fresh scent and I do like fresh scents, so I can use it. I'm not sure about its unique feature that it works differently on different person, but it smells nice on me, so I'm gonna use it for sure. Next one is this Lifestyle Co Peach Mist, and its description says reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe mint and lavender mixture, and its market price is $42. Let's open this one. Yeah, it's a beautiful bottle. It smells like lavender and it has that instant cooling effect, and I think it's perfect for after sun in this summer season. And the last one is this cooler bag by Business and Pleasure, and in the description it says this premium cooler bag keeps food and drinks cold and crisp, and its actual price is $59. So let's open it. I have selected this one and I was actually looking forward for this piece. Oh, it's good. It's very spacious, very spacious. I think it's perfect for drives and small picnics, and the size is also good for our 3-member family. I love this yellow, good summer color. So that's it. That's all I got in my FabFitFun box, and the total price of my box is $339, which is pretty good if I get all of this in $49.99. I liked almost all the products, and let me know which one you like and would like to try. I'm going to use all of these and post the reviews on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. My ID is on the screen and in the description box. Also, if you are already a FabFitFun member, let me know what you got in your box and which one you like the most. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.